If you're looking to completely remove the OneDrive app from your Android phone, whether it's been giving you unwanted notifications, taking up space, or you just prefer to manage your files another way, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to either uninstall or fully disable OneDrive, depending on your phone's setup, so you can reclaim control over your device and clear out any unwanted clutter. Let's jump right in. Now, the method you'll use really depends on whether OneDrive came pre-installed with your device or if you downloaded it yourself from the Play Store. Let's start with the more straightforward scenario. That's most Android phones where you or someone else added the app manually. Begin by locating the OneDrive app on your phone. You might find it right on your home screen, or you may need to swipe up and check your app drawer where all your apps live. It can sometimes be a bit hidden, especially if you have a lot of apps, so just take your time scrolling until you spot that blue OneDrive cloud icon. Once you found it, do a long press on the icon, so tap and hold your finger down for a moment until you feel a little buzz or see a pop-up menu show up. Don't worry if it takes a couple tries to get the timing right. Every phone responds a little differently. When that menu appears, look for the option that either says uninstall or it might just show a little trash can image. Drag the icon up to the uninstall option or tap it, and then you'll get a message asking to confirm. This is just a safety step so you can't accidentally remove an important app. Hit OK, and after a few moments, OneDrive will be completely removed from your device. You'll notice it's gone from your app list, and it won't send you notifications or run in the background anymore. Now, what if you're on a Samsung Galaxy or certain other Android phones where OneDrive came pre-installed? In that case, things are a little bit different because the manufacturer counts OneDrive as a system app, which means you can't technically uninstall it, but you can make it completely inactive and hidden by disabling it. Here, how you do that: go into your phone settings, the gear icon, usually somewhere on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once you're in settings, scroll down a bit and look for the section called Apps or Manage Apps. Tap into that and you'll see a long list of every app on your phone. This list can feel intimidating, but just scroll until you find OneDrive. You can also use the search bar at the top to type in the app name and jump straight to it. Tap on OneDrive and you'll be taken to its info page. At the bottom, you should see a button that says Disable. Go ahead and tap that, and if your phone asks you to confirm, agree. Your goal here is to prevent the app from running or even showing up in your app drawer. OneDrive will be effectively invisible until you decide to re-enable it. What if that disable option is grayed out and you can't press it? No problem, there's a little workaround here. First, tap on Force Stop to make sure OneDrive isn't running in the background. Then scroll down to Storage, tap in and hit Clear Data. After you've done that, go back and try hitting Disable one more time. For most devices, this will unlock the option and let you finish the process. And there you go. Whether OneDrive was manually installed or came with your phone, you now know how to get rid of it and tidy up your app list. If any steps didn't match exactly, don't worry. Android device menus can look a little different depending on your phone make or software version. If this helped you out, please give the video a like, and if you have any questions or run into any roadblocks, drop a comment down below. I read every one. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss out on more tutorials like this to make your tech life easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.